Hell yeah.
What is going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another unboxing and a review. Now I know y'all seen my well, if you did see my other review of the Fade King, you seen that the box was a little different because I actually had it sent to me before he had all the packaging done. This is one that I actually bought off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below, but I wanted to actually try out I ordered the gold one. It's silver on the front. Hopefully I did get the gold one because I already got the silver, but I wanted to use the gold and the actual packaging for this unboxing and use the gold one as the review. But before we get all of that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, hit the thumbs down button, comment, share, all the good stuff, right? So as you can see, well, I'm gonna put a little bit of the old video here, and as you can see, the box is different. The box actually had nothing on it at first, so now we see Fade King professional hair clippers, 3 hours of charging time for 300 operating minutes. So it got a little bit more detailed on it. Boom, there we go. Hair clipper professional. You can see the battery, charging port, on and off switch. All right, got the LCD. You know I like the LCD, but I like the packaging. Simple box, nothing to it. Fade King. There you go. You see you got the two different options. He actually sent me the silver Fade King, and I actually ordered this off of Amazon myself because I still wanted to also support. I do appreciate him sending me one, but I also still wanted to show my appreciation and support for the new venture that he got going on. So we're gonna go ahead and get this open. Get to the gold, and baby, we like gold. Everybody like gold. Get this plastic out of the way. This ain't gonna be too long because we did see the unboxing already, but this is just the official packaging. As you can see, it just slides out. So I'm guessing this may be the front because the way it slide out, the opening is on top. Oh, I see that already. You see that? Do you see it? Woo, shit. I like that. I like that right there. Fade King right on the box. So this is the front. And as you can see, Fade King, I like that as you slide it out, it's showing you the name off rip, right? Boom, take that thing out. Fade King, I like that. Let's get this box open. Now the packaging is cool. It's nothing heavy duty. We also got to keep in mind that this is a budget clipper. Not in the sense of how it performs because I haven't quite used the gold ones yet, but in the sense of the packaging, these are $39.95, I believe. I'll put the price right here. You see it right there? That's the price of these, and I'll leave the link down in the description of where you can get these from. Open this thing up. That's it. All right, we got a little something in this. This is the official one. What we got here? Oh my god. Okay. So they got a cape included in this. You see, it's a cape. I ain't got room to open it all the way. But you see it's a cape right there. This is the actual unboxing of the Fade King clippers. Everything laid out for you. Charger. Got the USB port. The brush is right there. That happened in the other box too, where the brush fell into the abyss. But as you can see, Fade King, if you can see that right there written right up on top. Fade blade. Charging port for the USB. Hook in right there. Boom. I'm pretty sure you got a block somewhere with all the clippers going to USB these days. So there's nothing under there. Nope. So there you go. Simple unboxing. Let you know everything that comes with it. 3 hours of charge time for 300 minutes. Boom. I just wanted to unbox this. This one actually has some charge to it. I like that. Very quiet. There you go, baby. The Fade King. I just wanted to do the unboxing of the gold edition. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the review. I just wanted to show, like I said, the official packaging of the Fade King from One Hitter Trimmer. I'll leave the link down below where you can follow him on Instagram and also order you a pair if you're looking for the silver or the gold. He has both. Now let's get into the review. Also, before we get into the review of this, it's crazy that these came in on the same day because it's all gold, baby. So there's a website called LT Barber. I also ordered some gold accessories, so it kind of go with it. I mean, it's not a big unboxing of it, but just a comb, a little brush, match the gold, all gold, everything, baby. I like gold. It shows up. It pops out when you cutting. All right, let's get to the review. Yo, what's up? I said, yo. If y'all watch battle rap, y'all know what that is. Either way, Cuts by Reggie back with another quick review. If you're not, before we get to the review, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. All right, like the video if you like the videos. Also, guys, if you dislike the video, there's a thumbs down button. Hey, we got the right to, you get it. All right, comment on the video, share the video, all that good stuff. Getting a text message, a reminder. Anyway, let's get to review. Today, we have I guess we could say a budget clipper, right? The Fade King. If y'all seen the video, I did the unboxing of the silver, the silver version of the Fade King, but that was actually before he had the whole packaging together. So, that was one that he sent me, all right? So that's before he had a boxing and all that stuff. So once he had this together, then this is from One Hitter Trimmer. I'll leave his Instagram down below, and I'll leave the link to buy this clipper if he still has them available. But he sent me the silver one. I used it a little bit, but I wanted to do the review on one that I actually bought. I don't know, maybe something changed between the time that he sent me one and all that good stuff. So you seen the unboxing, voila, right? So here we go with the actual Fade King. All right. We got 3 hours of charge time, 300 minutes. It's a budget clipper. Is it great? Is it horrible? Definitely not. This is a perfect clipper that's just dead center in the middle. All right. This is the Fade King. Let me clean these off. I did use them a second ago. All right. This is the Fade King. And of course, it's very reminiscent of the FXs. All right. It got a standard fade blade on there. Nothing crazy. Nice design. It's very lightweight. All right. So, like I said, let's start from the beginning. This came from One Hitter Trimmer, from Instagram. That's why I first ran into him. He sent me the silver pair. All right. Once he dropped them, I bought the gold pair. I got these on Amazon for, I want to say $39, $40. All right. Very good price for what you get. All right. You see the unboxing. You see what's in there. 300 minutes of runtime, 3 hours to charge. That's the only problem that I have. Not the only problem, but that's one of the problems I have with it. The 3 hour charge time, it's kind of, I mean, unless you have backup clippers, once these completely die, they literally take that time to charge. They take their full 3 hours to charge, all right? But you see the packaging, nice packaging. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. It's like an American cookie box. I don't know if y'all know American Great American Cookie, something like that. That's what it is. It look like one of them boxes, right? Open it up. You got your guards. I did not use these guards. I just used my wall guards because they fit on there, and I got a bunch of them. I got wall guards and I got JRL on my station, and they fit all the clippers I use. So I just use them. All right. So you get your guards, you get your charger, you get your clipper brush, and you get your clipper oil. Cool, right? Then you get your machine. Nice gold packaging, everything. I wish that blade was gold too. That'd be boom, set it all off, right? But there's no clicks. It's the free roam click lever. I did not gap it at all. All right, so that's one problem. One thing, it doesn't open wide at all. So you have to get used to that. But either way, all right, let's get to it. You get the clipper. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. Look at the display. It was just blinking. It was just blinking, right? It'll blink when it tell you it needs oil. This is your drop down of your time. I do like that it has a countdown on there, but for it to have 300 minutes, I would rather it count down by the hours rather than just saying you got 99% left, 75% left, 33% left. But that's not a big deal because you got clippers out here not telling me anything about how when they're dying or anything. All right, you can get a anyway. Boom, it'll tell you how long you got. And this turns red after it starts dying, really dying. All right, so that's that right there. There's not too much to say about this clipper. I'll put in some videos of me using it. It cuts very smooth. It's not great on bulk. And say you got real coarse, thick hair, maybe Hispanic, or somebody like me who don't cut or don't comb their hair. Once it grow out, obviously I don't grow hair, I'm bald headed. But once it grow out, you don't do nothing to it. This is not gonna just completely easily go through it. But once you get the hair down to a manageable texture, it's gonna give you a good fade. It's gonna give you a smooth cut. This will be your clipper for beginning barbers or barbers on a budget. All right, this is a great budget clipper. This is not, to me, comparing to a senior, although it has a longer battery life. That's one thing that we can take from these when people call replicas or budget clippers. A lot of them battery time is freaking out crazy. I mean, like, yes, maybe the power don't compare to a wall senior, right? But if I got these and I can still get a good cut, I got guards. My wall fits them perfectly, right? My wall's gonna fit them. So I got guards. I got a good cut. I can still get a good cut with these. I got 300 minutes of runtime versus on my Magic Clips, 80 minutes of runtime. Yes, these are my favorite clippers, right? But once these die in 80 minutes, these got 300 minutes of runtime. So we can call them budget clippers, we can call them replicas, we can call them whatever we want to call them. Some of these clippers like Caliber, Fade King from OneHitterTrimmer, Gamma, like they're giving you hours of runtime on these clippers. But you get what I'm saying. All right. So do you buy the Fade King? Yes. Are these your main workhorse? Maybe. I'm not mad at them. For $39, $40, you can't beat them. All right. Look at that design. I do like that though. I like that weave right there. Almost like a wine glass not a wine glass, but there were glasses from when I was younger that my granny would keep in a. Anyway, that's what it looked like. All right. I like that. It don't open wide at all. Like, of course, we all know that the Masters open pretty wide, right? So can't really compare that to that. Those are wide open. But look at that. If I can get, I can't even angle it right. But either way, they don't open up wide. I would change the blade, maybe to the 50 cal fade blade or the Gamma blade from the Ergos. I would probably put that on there. But if you're looking for a clipper, you just need something, it gets to you fast too. So that's another thing. I got these from Amazon, and people, when I unboxed the silver ones, they was like, oh, they're this. So when I put this up, they was like, they're replicas. If I told y'all the other companies that was doing the same thing, all right, but whatever. You're gonna order these from Amazon using the link below. They're gonna get to you in less than 4 or 5 days, right? And it may be different for me because I got Amazon Prime, but these are getting to you fast, all right? $39, $40, decent clipper. Awesome for backup if you just need something extra. Budget barber, new barber, just looking what you can, or just using what you can get your hands on. If you don't want to go to Walmart and use their clippers, this is your in the middle. You got Walmart over here, you got these in the middle, and then you got Ergos and Seniors and all them other clippers over there. All right, so use the link, buy the Fade King. Tell them Reggie sent you. I mean, you're not gonna get nothing for telling them I sent you, but tell them I sent you anyway. All right, so that's my quick review of the Fade King. Yes, buy the clipper. It is a pretty decent clipper. Yeah, like the video, share the video, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. I'm out. Yeah.